welcome to this millennial review where if your LG fridge is showing that it's time to replace the water filter, well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you how you go ahead and you replace that water filter, which is an LT1000P on one of these modern LG fridges. And luckily, it is really easy. When you open your fridge, you'll see on the top shelf that just back here is going to be where the water filter is. Now, these should be replaced every 6 months, and it'll bring up that sign telling you that you need to replace it. And all you do is I should have showed that better, right on the side, there's a spot that's telling you to push. So you push in, that's going to drop down the door, and then the water filter pushes down, and just a right turn, and it's going to come out. You're going to hear this little kind of noise, and that is this thing getting replaced. So these water filters are pretty expensive, so I'll have linked down below both the generic, which is what I'm going to use, and the original LG water filter if you'd like to use one of those. But this is that LG 1000P water filter. Now your new one, it's going to come with a cap, which you'll just pull right off. And you see this notch on the side? That is the notch. That is what's letting this twist into place. If you take a look at the connector, you'll see that it's got just a little spot. So you got to line those notches up, press in with some authority, and twist. It's going to lock into place. You can slide that back up in and click the door back on. Now, once you've replaced that and you've put it in, you are still going to see the water filter, but it's going to start flashing because it knows that you messed with it. And you see this filter reset. Press and hold the filter reset. And that is going to lock in the new water filter. And to go ahead and test it out, get our new water out, nice and clear and ready to drink. Hopefully this was helpful to you on how to replace the water filter in your LG refrigerator. Be sure to leave some comments down below if you have any questions or thoughts. While you're at it, hit subscribe.